I'm just going to walk you through how to set up our horse stalls with a cover. You're going to get the shelter panel and connect the tops and the bottoms together with the included hardware. Once you do that, you'll have your shelter panels looking like this. Start getting all the panels laid out, and you're going to start clamping all the panels together to make your stalls. And go ahead and leave all the panel clamps pretty much hand tight for now. We'll go back through at the end and fully tighten everything down. Once you have the stall pretty much clamped together, make sure everything's square, and what you do is you measure corner to corner and make sure those measurements are even. This will make sure that your purlins and your roof panels go on straight. Get two 8-foot ladders out and get the purlins on top of the shelter panels. They'll mount right onto those little mounts right there that are sticking up. Get the self-tapping screws and screw the purlins into the tops of the shelter panels and onto that mount that's sticking up. And feel free to put extra self-tapping screws right here if you want to. It's not going to hurt you if you use more than what's needed. Get the rest of the Z purlins out on top of the shelter panels and screw them down. Another little trick is to go to your roof panels and mark the very middle of each roof panel. This will help you screw them into the purlins so you don't miss them. Go ahead and have your helper down on the ground pass you up the PBR roof panels and put them on top of the Z purlins. The purlins will stick out about 6 inches past the PBR on each side of the stall. Go ahead and start screwing them down with the self-tapping screws, and you'll also want to add some screws where the overlap is on the ridge. You'll go ridge to ridge right here. And then for the overlap, we usually slide the panel under the panel that's already on there. Start screwing them down, and like I said, the Z purlins do stick out about 6 inches past the PBR. If you want to cover those, just ask us for extra PBR roof panels to cover the purlins. Next, one of the last steps is to get the ground posts. These ground posts come with all of our stall kits that have the covers. This is so that the wind doesn't take it away. Just dig some holes underneath the shelter panels like so. Put a little bag of quick mix concrete and you're good to go. This is how it will turn out when you're done. This is just a 10 by 10 just to show you. We do have other sizes, but this all works pretty much the same way, has the same parts. If you ever get stuck or have any questions, you can always give us a call and we'll be happy to walk you through it and get you going.